Hi everyone, it's me, Ala the Inventor Girl, and today I'm going to show you an experiment you can do. So for this you're going to need water, vinegar, baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and then 1/3 cup of vinegar, water, and then 3 redwood cones and 3 cups. So put water and baking soda into 1 cup, vinegar in 1 cup, and then just plain old water in another cup. And then you're going to take 3 red cones and drop them in. Why are they called redwoods? Because the tannin in them is what makes them red. And we live in the redwood forest, and it's summer, so we have green redwood cones. So drop them in and wait for like about 30 minutes or so, and then see what color there is. Alright, so we've let it sit for about 40 minutes, and the water has a little color. The vinegar is like blood red, and the baking soda water, I'm surprised that actually turned out any color. It turned out like sort of magenta-y. And here's another experiment. Try just a redwood cone and just water. For me, it usually turns out red, so for you, it probably will. So yeah, bye! Okay, it's 36 hours later, and look at all the cups. The water cup is purplish, and look, the stick got dyed. Ha! The vinegar cup is blood red, and the stick got dyed blood red. And the baking soda cup, I did not think it would turn out this color. It's like a blackish magenta. And look at the stick. I thought it was going to turn out pink. And remember what started this all? This little itty green cone. So search for some green cones, throw them in water, vinegar, and baking soda water, and have fun experimenting. Bye!